We are here in the Tang Dynasty Hotel.
Wow. Where are you going?
Hi everyone, so we decided to go outside to see how beautiful the place is out there.
Okay.
For today's video, of course, everyone really curious about where I am right now, and I'm gonna share about my experience here in Kota, Kinabalu, Malaysia.
Wow.
We stay here in Dynasty or Tang Dynasty Hotel.
Wow.
So let's
Oh, you may go.
So as we can see, we have 5409. We have also the room 5008, 5406, and we have a room.
Okay.
So let's see.
Let's go. Start shopping.
We are very curious about this.
Skin tap. Okay.
Then press this one.
Wow, wow. Nice. Amazing.
So this is the view outside.
Say hello.
Very fantastic and amazing. So right after that, our next destination right now is here. Alright, so everyone, once again, we are here right now in Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. So this is one of the fantastic, amazing place here in Malaysia. So right now, we are here in the Tang Dynasty Hotel. Very fantastic and very good view. Okay everyone, so let's see, we're going to ride elevator. Come on, I will trick you, I will teach you how to ride elevator. So right now on the fifth floor, we will check, we have the big one,
Yeah.
floor, and so this ground floor. So we will press first. We're going to wait this one, ground floor. B1 and the other side is the B1. We're going to wait for a few minutes. Ground floor and this. Alright. Okay, so right after we're going to press the third one because our destination is at third floor. So we will choose all the numbers here, especially where floor you're going to locate it. So right now we press a 3, which is a third floor. Here we go.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa mall ng Malaysia. So, as we can see, nag-grocery po tayo. Super dami. So this time, ayan, lalakad tayo and we're looking for a very good place. Ayan. Mga products nila. Okay, so mamimili tayo ng gamit for today's. So, super dami po ng mga gamit. This is one of the most important things in our experience right now. We need a lot of products here. Alright, so while waiting for my friend, bigat, super bigat ng aking pinamili.
Ano? 10.
10? How much is that?
Mura na yun?
10 pesos?
10?
10 ringgit per
Yes.
piece.
50 pieces.
That's okay. It's organic egg. Okay, so I'm here with my friends right now. Mr. Elpidio Valencia Jr.
Yes, my name is Jerry.
Yes, he's Jerry.
Yeah, on my Facebook, Jerry Valencia.
That's right. So a few minutes from now, we're going back to
TikTok
our Tang
At
dynasty.
Jerry Valencia
Bye,
95.
Mama.